what are the problems that the patient has, and फिर उसको solution create करेंगे उसके लिए, and then in the second part of the live that we're going to do today, उसमें treatment आपको live करके दिखाएंगे botox and fillers का. इसके अलावा any suggested treatments also I will talk about, which the patient can do at a subsequent time. So this video is very useful for you because ये आपको बताएगा कि किस तरह आप अपने फेस के एक्सप्रेशंस को मॉडिफाई कर सकते हैं, फेस के फीचर्स को मॉडिफाई कर सकते हैं, अपने फेस को मोर यूथफुल बना सकते हैं. व्हाट आर द ऑप्शंस दैट यू हैव एंड व्हाट आर द रिजल्ट्स दैट यू कैन एक्सपेक्ट. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी नीड टू असेस what are the problems. So the best way to answer that is to ask the patient herself as to what problems as to what problems he or she faces.
There are dark circles under my eyes, and there is this chubbiness.
So she's saying, talking of these circles, so we'll first define the problems and then I'll tell you what are the options.
So there are dark circles. The face is round, chin is not there.
Chin chota hai, okay. So, okay. And that's it. So let's start analyzing from the medical aspect. So we can clearly see that there's a lot of dark circles here. Now what is the reason for these dark circles? The reason is the cheek has gone down. अगर ये cheek ऊपर उठा देते हैं, we lift this up, the dark circles get less. So the first treatment is we have to identify and lift up the cheek. The easiest way to do that is with fillers. So we notice there's a Y point, a V point like this, sorry not Y, V like this. इसका जो junction होता है, if we put a filler injection there, the cheek becomes like this. And जो lines हैं, they get less and the dark circles get less. In addition, जब ये हो जाएगा, next week we will see if there's any trough here. If there's a tear trough, तो यहाँ पे भी we can do a little bit of fillers here. That is a different type of filler. So what we need here is a high volume filler, high density filler. So that high density filler should be hard because it is going to be on the bone. It should lift up the tissue. So Voluma from Allergan, yeah, Volume from 𝗬𝗫. These are the two best fillers that I know, which will be most useful for this region. In addition, अगर यहाँ पे कुछ करना है, तो we can use Balance from 𝗬𝗫, or we can use Soft from 𝗬𝗫, or we can use Ultra from 𝗬𝗫. Those are my preferred fillers. In addition, here if we see, there's a lot of hollowness here. This is because there is no tissue cover, there is no fat here, there is the bone. So if we put little bit of filler here, this looks very nice and this creates a kind of a mini facelift. The best filler for this is Volume by 𝗬𝗫, and that I have seen that to be the best in terms of skin lifting effect and the feel of it. It is very soft and not visible कि कुछ किया है. Then we can do some botox to take care of the wrinkle lines here and on the forehead. Look up. So all these wrinkle lines we can take care of. Some crow feet here we can take care of. Face की जो width है, that can easily be controlled. So the test is to ask the patient to bite. जैसे bite करते हैं, अगर आपके fingers पे कुछ pressure feel होता है, that is because of the masseter muscle. Relax. So masseter muscles जो हैं, that causes widening of the face. So we can do botox there, normally 25 to 30 units each side. Chin. So we make an assessment, divide the face into three parts. First part, second part, and third part. So the chin appears to be a little small, and we can enhance the chin and make it slightly V like this with fillers. So the best filler for this is either Intense from 𝗬𝗫 or Voluma from Allergan. So they are the best fillers in order to create a good chin. So what we are going to do today is lift up the cheeks using fillers here. We're also going to inject here. So this will lift up the cheeks like this. It will reduce the double chin effect also. Add chin here. So it gives a nice V look to the face. Reduce the width of the face with Botox. Reduce the wrinkles on the face with Botox. So this is how we would analyze the other things. What else we can do? To take care of the double chin, we can use fat dissolving injections. 𝗃𝗏𝗃 India में आता नहीं है, but exactly same composition is available from other manufacturers and from the distributors, and we use that in India to do dissolution of the fat, double chin के correction के लिए. Alternatively, surgically fat remove कर सकते हैं. If there is any scope of loose skin, तो threads से उसको we can pull it up. We can also pull up the face with cork threads. So this is the effect that will be created. So laughter lines के ऊपर massive effect आता है, and angle of mouth which is slightly downturned, के ऊपर effect आता है with cork threads. In addition, we can also inject some fillers here to create a Joker smile. So some patients like this kind of a smile which goes up, so that looks very nice. That is all that we need to do. If the patient wants any shaping of the eyebrows, then we can do Botox here and create a different shape of the eyebrows. So that is also possible. So stay tuned. In the next 5 minutes, we'll start live with the actual treatment. Thank you for watching.